What's up YouTube, this is Preem King 117 here, and today we got a Lightning Overdrive booster box for you guys today. So this is a really interesting set with a lot more Black Rose support as well, with a new Synchro monster which is 5 times better than the original Black Rose, but some people do prefer the old Black Rose because of its destruction ability. But enough said, let's get right into it. As you can see on the box as well, it's also got some Utopia cards as well. Hope you guys and gals have been okay the last week. Right, to the right. So let's go with the right hand side first. So pretty much like a normal pack. It's got 9 cards, 1 super rare, 1 ultra, 9 cards. It could be super, ultra, secret, etc. with a rare and all that. So our first pack: Amorous Ambassador Bufo, Bujin Mashitasu, Zexal Entrust, Starry Night Seal. First pack, Mysterion the Dragon Crown. That's an ultra rare. Nice. Spellcaster and a Dragon Monster. So sort of like Dragoon in a way then. So another card to be used in Dragon decks. DDD Super Night King Zero Maxwell. Nice DDD cards as well. Screams of the Branded. Warlock Big Blow. Judgment of the Branded. Just in case, I'm going to sleeve this guy up. Nice. Cool, we'll put you to the side there. ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, another Zexal weapon. I actually could call it Zexal, not ZW. And Antrovite, Bujin Machisu, Zexal Sword, I guess, Arm Sage, Lena the Light Charmer Illustrious, put rares there, Tails of the Underfoot, Bujin Kendants, 1 Kill Your Way, DD Super Night King Zero Maxwell. I'm happy about DDC port, but I'm probably just for 1 card. But I wonder if there's a DD card, I can't remember what it's called. Danmari Ignista, Advanced Ambassador Buffo, Starry Night Seal, Zexal Weapon Pegasus Twin Saber, Super Rare Star Sailor Rimrain, Screams of the Branded, Basil Rose Shoot, AI Challenge You, 1 Kill You Way. Makes more sense to put it there actually. Spring's Brothers, Star Mine, Ashen Shashmashi, I think. Ashtramatomite, Zexal Weapon Dragonite Halberd, AI Meet You, Birth of the Providence Flame, Bougie Contendants, Screams of the Branded. They come up with some rare random names now. They're making words so much complicated to pronounce. Dark Eye Nightmare, Black Eyes the Plunger Patrol Pegred, S-Force Dog Tag, Springin's Brothers, Warlock Quentro, Basil Rose Shoot, Black Rose Supports, UNAI, or maybe UNI because of the anime, Warlock Generations, Warlock Remade. Astrophyte, Dogmatic Calamity, Danmari Ignista, Judge of the Ice Barrier, I think that's the super rare, nope. Warlock Dignity, Warlock Support, AI Challenge You, One by One, Sexual Alliance, Hidden Springs of the Far East. That's another ultra rare for me. I'm going to sleeve it. Artwork looks fucking cool. I'm not going to lie. It looks really cool. I like that. Maybe Warlock is a deck I might build actually. Sort of the Fire. It reminds me of Fire Fist a little bit. Maybe that's just me. A bit of Fire Fist and Burning Abyss. Anything to do with fire. Springin's Booty, Pandemic. Oh my god. Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx. Not today, Drew, not today. World Soul Carbon, Clock Arc, Amazon Precious Park, You and I, Binary Blade. Which one's the... Oh, hang on. Did it again, didn't I? Binary Blade, Birth of the Promised Flame. Cinevillain. Ooh, some more Cinevillain cards. Nice. Definitely. I'm actually going to keep that to the side, actually. Right. Sky Scourge Cindels, Bujin Makotosu, Clock Arc, S-Force Tag, Dog Tag, Sector Construction, Fukubiki, One by One, Warlock Generations, Amazon's Attraction, Wonder Wheel. What's that? This will be the fourth to the last, fourth of the right side. World Soul Carbon, Yamanuri, Archimorite. I'm getting a lot of these cards. Starmine, another ultra rare. Live Twin Sky Scale Forest. Amazon, Amaze, Attraction, Magician, Merry-Go-Round, Boo Boo Game, Savannah and Crossbreed. I'll keep that to the side. Tales of the Underfoot. This is another ultra rare. I'm going to sleeve it up. These days, any hollows is pretty much pounds. So Sexual Weapon Pegasus Twin Saber, Amazon Special Show, Fandamic Guardian Sphinx, Black Eyes, the Plunder Patrol Penguicide, Leader for Light Chamber Listerus, Screams of the Branded, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, You and I, Hidden Springs of the Far East. I'll keep that. Start on you. Yamanori, Starry Night Seal, Otomenshi, Springin's Brothers, Warlock Spirits, Tales of the Underfoot, I Meet You, Birth of the Penobus Flame, Boo Boo Game. Such a random name. Alright, last pack of the right side. So that means I've probably got... This is not a secret rare. I got two secret rares on the left side. So S-Force Dog Tag, Sky Sword Cindels, Sexual Sword, Armed Sage, I think, Damari Agnista, another ultra. Okay, Willamani the Wander's Mistress Witch Wardrobe. Okay, cute. DDD, Supernight, King Zero Maxwell, Cinema and Delphi, and I keep that to side as well. AI Challenge You, Tales of the Underfoot. Alright. So that's the right hand side done. I will put these here, put these here. Okay, give me 2 secs and have a quick drink. It's a very warm day. Gotta keep hydrated. Make sure of that. Alright, that's the right hand side done. Let's do the left side. Alright, first pack. So, we got 4 ultras. Does this mean the left side's got 2 secrets? Only time will tell. Paleozoic Composter. I haven't seen a Paleozoic Link Monster. S-Force Dog Tag. Sky Scourge Cindels. World Soul Carbon. Sexual Weapon Dragonic Halberd. Warp Generations. Warlock Big Blow. AI Challenge You. And Fabrica. Second pack. Demonic Gnista, Sexual Weapon Pegasus Twin Saber, Dogmatic Calamity, Springin's Booty, Pendransation, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, Basil Rose Shoot, 1x1, Sexual Alliance, Star Mine, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Ottoman Shamashi, Sky Sindels, Diviner of the Herald. Nice, that's our first secret. Warlock Generations, Warlock Mahode, Warlock Big Show, and Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing. This secret does look like a Starlight. Could just be me though. I think, it looks like a Starlight because it's got stars on it. Okay, that makes sense. Good way to trick people, eh? Touche, Konami. Touche. Sexual Weapon Arm Sage. S4 Stock Tag. Yunamari. Sexual Interest. Edna for Sun Magician. Boo Boo Game. Basil Boo Shoot. Binary Blader. Draw Generations. Alright, I'm going to pick up the pace a little bit. I think we've seen most of the commons anyway, so I'm going to quickly go through them now. Alright. Starry Night Seal, Pezite Conversion, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Clock Arc, Warwalk Retro, Judgment of the Bandit, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, AI Meet You, Fabrica. Dogmatic Calamity, Damari Agnista, Ottoman Smashy, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Banded in White. Now that looks like good artwork, that is. Birth of the Prominence Flame, Judgment of the Branded, Sexual Alliance, AI Meet You. Right. Black Eyes, the Planet Patrol Super Penguin, Penguin's Booty, Sexual Weapon Armed Sage, Scrap Raptor, Sanavalion Malias. I'll put that aside as well. Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel, Amaze Attraction Mystery Merry-Go-Round, Amaze Attraction, oh my god, Amaze. Amazement Special Show, Fandaric, Guardian Sphinx, Sky Sword Cindels, Dogmatic Calamity, another ultra rare, Albion the Branded Dragon, Fallen Albion, one of his from Fable, Birth of the Promised Flame, AI Challenge You, Judgment of the Branded. Right, 5 ultra rares. I'll take that. At least I didn't get a low amount, like 3 ultra rares and a secret, which I got before, which is not nice to get for such an expensive product. So. S-Force Dog Tag, Damari Agnista, Dark Eye Nightmare, Amazement of Aston Buffo, Warlock Spirit, Sexual Challenge, Boo Boo Game, Basil Rose Shoot, Bujin. Scrap Raptor, Black Eyes Patrol Suicide, Amazement Special Show, Zack's Weapon, Pegasus Twin Saber, Pendreman Station? I don't even know what it even says. Screens of the Bandit, You and I, Boo Boo Game. 2 more packs. Pyrzoic Carbon Roaster, Starry Night CL, Okidamanchi, World Cell Carbon, Stereo Saber Main. She just want to check. Okay. Amazing Wonder Wheel, or Son of a Delphine. Okay. Alright. Let's play a game, shall we? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Alright. Sexual Crap Back to Judge the Iceberg, Phantom Carriageway, Son of a Crossbreed, Hidden Spears of the Eastern Binary Blader, and will this be a secret rare? It's a super rare S-Force Edge Razor. So that's not too bad for a booster box. We got an odd amount, but we changed a secret rare to an ultra rare. So we got Mysterion the Dragon Crown, Warlock Dignity, Living Twin Kaiskill Forest, Reign of the Wonders Mystical Witch Wardrobe, Albion the Banded Dragon, and Divider of the Herald. This looks like a secret rare, but this also looks like a Starlight rare, but I'm not sure which one it is. I'm gonna say it's probably a secret rare, so okay. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you would like me to open next. Until then, this is Boom King 117 out.